What's going on, guys? I just got done with my first official day working at the zoo, and it's pretty awesome. Tomorrow, I'm even more pumped about tomorrow because I get to take pictures of people feeding giraffes, and I've never been up close to a giraffe before, so that's gonna be really cool. But enough of that. I'm gonna go ahead, clip over to the next clip where we're going over to iJams. We're gonna do a little bit of herping before this apparent storm moves in, so hopefully cap it off with a black king. That'd be pretty nice. Alright guys, well, I've made it out here to iJams and I'm waiting on Lucas. And if you're noticing the quality is a little bit different on this video, it's because I do have a SD card that can process the 4K video, so we are trying out the right way, the 4K video at, what is it, 30 frames per second? So yeah, you guys have to let me know how that looks. I'm assuming it's going to look pretty amazing. Hopefully not too jittery. I have one that's coming in, like the one I have right now, it processes at 100 megabytes per second, which is how much the 4K exports. And the other one that I have coming in does 170 megabytes per second, so maybe that'll be a little bit different. I don't know, we'll have to see. But I'm going to quit yapping and boring y'all with all this tech stuff, and let's get some herping. Alright, so it has been, this isn't gonna make sense for you guys watching the vlogs because I've uploaded every day, but it's still been about a week since I've actually been out here. I haven't been out here since me and Bo, I think. I don't know, I can't remember. So I'm actually curious to see if there's any herps in these spots where before we were coming to and weren't finding anything after the corn snake deal. And if there is a herp that you guys see and I miss, let me know in the comments. Also, I want you guys to let me know in the comments if you guys like the longer herping videos or the shorter ones, and because I want to give you guys what you like and I don't want to make you sit through a bunch of crap you don't want to sit through. So let me know in the comments. This is a sight that I've been waiting to see. Even though we found snakes, I have been waiting to see a snake skin like that. Oh my goodness, and he went down too, so I have to get up there and see how fresh that is. I mean, granted, if he's like crazy in this overgrown mess, it's gonna be hard to get him, but I'm gonna say it's a racer just from the sheer size of it, but it could be a black rat. We'll see. So over here is where I found that skin, or saw that skin. And there it is. That's a big snake, whatever it is, and it goes further on down. You can see it just goes like that. I'm trying to figure out where the top part is, or I'm gonna see if I can at least get this skin so I can know if it's a venomous snake or not. Alright, so I just got it, and it's looking like, just from the coloration of these patterns, that this is a really thick-bodied corn snake. I mean, just look at the belly scales in comparison to my hand, and see how much it folds over. So if you fold this thing out like that, I mean, that's how thick this snake is. And the rest of it's still down there. It's old. It's not, I don't know, it's maybe yesterday. Maybe yesterday. But even then, I still missed part of it right there, and then the rest of it on down right in this area. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, right there on that rock. But yeah, so whatever the heck that thing is, it's a big freaking snake. You guys say hi to the first official herp of the day. I'm still zooming in. I don't know how close I can get without it. Okay, that's about as close as I can get without it blurring out. Hey, and we're doing a live stream right here.
Big rock.
Big rock?
With nothing else.
Yeah, dude, even on the regular video, you just can't, you can't even get... Yeah, if you guys missed it, I was explaining before at the beginning of the video that I had to get a new camera. I'm talking to the live stream right now. I'll pick up the vlog whenever I actually end the live stream, because this is kind of tripping me out right now.
Whenever we get an actual herp.
Yeah, exactly. All right, we have got, oh come on, show up in the good quality. Show up in the good quality, a beautiful, beautiful ring neck. I mean, this guy is out, there it is. Oh my goodness. Lucas flipped it, it's already pooped all over me. And it's doing this weird constricting thing on my fingers. I have no idea what's going on, but it's like a little hug.
That's actually what boa constrictors do a lot.
I know, but I didn't know ringneck snakes constricted like this. Like it's, and you see he's just trying to burrow like that, so that's too freaking cool. But I'm not going to leave the live stream waiting anymore, so we're going to go ahead and let this little guy go.
After I get some pictures.
Yeah, after Lucas gets some pictures. And yeah, that's amazing. Oh gosh.
Billy Montgomery says, vlogging while vlogging.
All right, vlogception. Hardcore.
Oh, and it is Zach Papalilo.
Papalilo?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh man, that's too cool.
Exotic Luck, I'm here.
What's up, Exotic Luck? I've been liking your posts on Instagram, dude. They've been really nice. Alright guys, we're gonna get the release on this guy and let him go. Alright, let him go.
Right back under your rock, little buddy.
Yeah.
Okay. There you go.
Good job.
Love those guys.
Alright, so where'd the other one go?
He's right there.
Oh.
Oh, he's going back up in there.
He's going back up in there, and we got right there. I just want to get these guys on this HD.
Look at that. Oh.
4K. We got,
These guys are,
we flipped 2 cave salamanders under a rock. I didn't even know you could actually do that. Is it a breeding pair?
Might be. Are they sexually dimorphic? Live chat, tell us.
Give you a close-up. I gotta give the live stream a close-up real quick.
Oh, that is.
Look at that.
That is amazing. Hey, at least we.
I gotta go. All right, I will see you later. You guys, I gotta.
Oh, she's going up in my tongs.
Uh-oh.
I knew those would be useful. For once.
I'm hoping this. Oh, good lord, dude.
That wasn't me. That was a rock.
You guys give this video a like if you haven't already for 2 caves under 1 rock.
And it's.
Give a close-up of the other one. Okay. There you go. The other one is right here.
And bigger.
And bigger. You guys see him?
That's amazing, man.
That is ridiculous.
Well, flip that rock.
Hold this. These caves are they're so not that quick in the actual cave.
That salamander just got knocked the crap out by a rock.
He did. All right. Here we go. Trying to make sure I get this thing in good.
I just love the colors.
That is ridiculous, guys. That is insane. Holy crap. This is just making my day right here.
Never been done before.
Not on this channel. Wow. Alright guys, I'm sorry, I'm doing the vlog thing. Channing, this is my life now. Holding a camera in my life. Jesus Exotic, you gonna go broke? Okay, I'm trying to figure out which camera I'm talking to right now. We just found a slimy salamander, Lucas did, under this railroad tie. We're still doing the live stream. Look at that, we're on 41 minutes. It's insane.
It's already been 41 minutes.
It's already been 41 minutes. It's ridiculous.
I need to start live streaming.
He's gonna let that guy go.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, I'm sorry that this vlog has been kind of choppy and just been the good stuff, but I literally just got done doing an hour and 7-minute long live stream because you guys are absolutely amazing, and all the cool stuff that we found that you guys saw in this video, those of you that were on the live stream for the full hour and 7 minutes watched us find that stuff live, and that was amazing and incredible and such a really cool experience. So
we just want to thank you.
By higher demand, yeah, definitely thank you, and by high demand like crazy, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these live herping trips and doing longer vlogs, because I asked you guys in that video and the live stream if you guys like the longer videos. You guys loved it, and right now we're over here flipping some stuff real quick before we end up wrapping it up, but hopefully we'll get some stuff over here. I will pick it up. I want to get some more good footage on this nice high quality, well, hopefully it's good high quality, we'll see. Flipping something right now. That's not how you flip something. What are you doing? Well, you killed whatever was under that. Alright guys, well, I am beat. honestly, from work. I love my job, I'm not complaining, but my feet, you guys know how my ankles are, absolutely killing me. I literally don't have it in me to go any further, so I'm gonna have to end this vlog here. But if you guys really want to get the inside scoop and get your full-on feel of this whole day, I will put a note up somewhere or at the end screen. One of the videos will be the live stream. Go check that out. And yeah, be sure to subscribe and check out Lucas on his channel, Lucas's Lizards. And I will see you guys tomorrow. I get to feed giraffes tomorrow. No, I don't get to feed them.
You get to watch.
I get to watch people feed them, which is still pretty cool. It's still pretty cool.
You'll probably get to feed them.
Hopefully.